Tired of hopping from one weight loss trend to another, only to feel frustrated by the lack of results? Trust me, you're not alone. But what if I told you that 2025 could finally be the year you unlock your best self? Without all the gimmicks. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a proven, step-by-step plan to lose weight the right way. No crash diets, no 3-hour workouts, just smart, sustainable strategies that actually work. From setting realistic goals to mastering your nutrition and building the perfect fitness routine, I've got you covered. So, grab a notebook or just your favorite snack and let's dive in. Step 1. Set realistic goals. Alright, let's kick things off with step 1, setting realistic goals. Here's the thing, you're not going to lose 20 pounds in a week, and honestly, you shouldn't even try. Rapid weight loss isn't just unhealthy, it's unsustainable. Instead, focus on something that feels achievable. Use SMART goals: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. For example, instead of saying, "I want to lose weight," try this: "I'll lose 5 pounds over the next month by walking 30 minutes a day and cutting out sugary drinks." Simple, right? Remember, it's all about making steady progress. Even if you only lose 1 pound a week, that's over 50 pounds in a year. How's that for a win? And don't forget to reward yourself along the way. Hit your weekly step goal, treat yourself to a new workout outfit or a cheat meal. Just keep it balanced. Step 2. Master your nutrition. Let's move on to the real game changer, your nutrition. You've probably heard it 1,000 times, but it's true, you can't outwork a bad diet. So let's make this simple and manageable. First, focus on high-quality foods. Think lean proteins like chicken, fish, or tofu, healthy fats like avocado and olive oil, and complex carbs like quinoa, sweet potatoes, or whole grain bread. These are the foods that fuel your body and keep you full for longer. Next, let's talk about cutting out empty calories. Sugary drinks? Bye-bye. Processed snacks? See you never. Instead, replace them with water, herbal teas, or even sparkling water if you need the fizz. I'm not saying you can never have pizza or fries again, life's too short for that, but make them the exception, not the rule. Try an 80-20th approach, 80% healthy, 20% treats. Finally, track your intake. Apps like MyFitnessPal or Chronometer make it super easy to log meals without feeling overwhelmed. You don't need to be perfect, just consistent. And here's a bonus tip, drink a glass of water before meals. It's a simple trick to curb overeating and keep you hydrated. Cheers to that. Step 3. Create a fitness routine that fits your life. Alright, here's the fun part. Building a fitness routine that works for you. And no, you don't need to live at the gym or spend hours on the treadmill. Fitness in 2025 is all about efficiency. First up, let's talk about high-intensity interval training, or HIIT. These quick 20-minute workouts are a powerhouse for burning calories and boosting metabolism. Think burpees, squats, or mountain climbers in short bursts, followed by rest. Perfect for busy schedules. Next, don't skip strength training. Why? Because building muscle helps you burn fat even when you're just Netflixing on the couch. Start small. Bodyweight exercises like push-ups, planks, and squats can work wonders. Not a fan of traditional workouts? No problem. Find activities you actually enjoy. Dancing, hiking, biking, even rollerblading. If it gets your heart rate up and makes you smile, it counts. The key here is consistency. Even 30 minutes a day, 4-5 times a week, can make a huge difference. Remember, it's not about being perfect. It's about showing up for yourself. Step 4. Prioritize sleep and stress management. Now let's talk about 2 sneaky factors that can ruin your weight loss journey: lack of sleep and too much stress. And trust me, this is where most people slip up. Did you know that poor sleep can spike your cortisol levels? That's your stress hormone. And when cortisol's high, your body clings to fat, especially around the belly. Here's how to fix it. Aim for 7-8 hours of quality sleep each night. Keep your bedroom cool, limit screen time before bed, and try relaxing rituals like reading or meditation. And speaking of relaxation, let's tackle stress. Whether it's journaling, deep breathing, or a quick yoga session, Finding ways to decompress is just as important as hitting the gym. Your mental health is key to your physical success. So, if you're feeling stuck, take a step back and ask yourself, am I sleeping enough? Am I managing my stress? Fix these two things and I guarantee you'll see progress. Step 5. Track progress. Without obsessing. Finally, let's talk about tracking your progress. But before you panic, no, this doesn't mean obsessing over the scale. The scale can be helpful, but it's just one piece of the puzzle. Instead, focus on a mix of metrics, body measurements, fitness milestones, and how your clothes fit. Take weekly waist and hip measurements, or try on those jeans you've been avoiding. It's all progress. Another great tool? Progress photos. Take one at the start of your journey and snap new ones every month. Seeing those visual changes can be super motivating. But remember, progress isn't just physical. Celebrate the little wins, like resisting that late-night snack or hitting your step goal for the day. Every small victory adds up to big results. And most importantly, don't compare your journey to anyone else's. Your path is unique, and your progress is valid, no matter how small it may feel. So, there you have it, your ultimate step-by-step guide to losing weight in 2025. Let's recap. Set realistic goals, master your nutrition, build a fitness routine that fits your life, prioritize sleep and stress, and track your progress without stressing out. Remember, weight loss isn't about perfection, it's about progress, consistency, and showing up for yourself every single day. You've got this! If this guide was helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with a friend who needs it, and hit that subscribe button for more life-changing tips this year. Let's make 2025 your best year yet.